Let me speak to the manager. I want a large bag. I told you I want a large bag.
I'm not giving you no large bag. You didn't purchase a large order, sir.
Look, let me speak to the manager.
Sir, you're not finna put them newspapers in our pot bag. No, you're not finna do that.
Let me see the manager.
I'm the manager. Get my name. I'm the manager. I'm not playing with you. I'm not for none. You holding up drive-through. It's a Sunday.
I want a large bag.
You're not getting no large bag.
All right, well, I am going to get a large bag.
Hey, folks. Hey. Pull up. Come around this car. Come over here. He a goofy. Think I'm playing with him. I was just finna go home. Now I'm not. Come on. We not playing with you. You not getting no bag. So you can sit right here all day. I don't get no fuck. You had the 2 spicy sandwiches. He not getting no large bag. You had the 2 spicy sandwiches. A spicy and a classic. Pour it right there. I'm finna come bring it out to you. Your total $17.57. You paying back hard? Come right here. Can I get the police to POPEYES 16 West Madison? Yes. This is the manager on duty. Yes, I need assistance. Thank you. You got other people in the car with you?
Oh,
and you clowning like this?
I got witnesses. That's right.
You gotta be ashamed of yourself.
Look, all I want is a plastic bag.
Can I give you no bag, sir?
Oh, yes, you can.
I bet you on my damn mama you ain't getting no bag.
I
on my kids on you not getting no bag. It'll be hell to tell a captain before you get a bag up in here.
All right.
Let me get your face. You work for this news company, selling papers. You ought to be a motherfucking shame of yourself. You sitting up here on a Sunday night causing this ruckus over a bag that you did not pay for? Really?
I spent $18 in here.
I don't give a fuck what you spent.
All right.
That's not how you talk.
All right. All right.
Have a good night.
All right. Excuse me. I just want a large bag. I paid $18 for my order, and I want a large bag. I always get one. I don't know who this person is, but I want a large bag.
She's a manager.
That's okay.
But sir, we're not allowed to give out large bags. You got a bag with your food in.
You want to give me a refund? You want to give me a refund?
Hey, well, you can have whatever you would like, sir.
All right.
I'm not going to do that. I got a lobby full of people. I have a lobby full of people, and I'm not on that. Okay? Get a man to get out large bags and get out my car.
give you another small. I ain't got no large bag.
That's the rest.
This what you want?
A large bag.
You're not getting it.
You give me a receipt already? Probably so. Hey, they got to give me my money back. I'm just saying, here come the police right now.
Yeah, they call the police.
Right.
It's this guy right here. He won't move.
Excuse me. I just want my money back.
Here we go, right here. Please get him from out my drive-thru. Right now. You thought I was playing?
Excuse me, officer. I'm just trying to get a refund because they won't give me a bag. So I want a refund. Yeah, they can just give me a refund and I'll be gone.
Move him on, because we already, his food is in the bag already.
They already got your food, man. You gotta go.
He's been here for 18 minutes.
I want a refund. That's all.
For 18 minutes.
Well, if they're refusing, then that's up to them. It's a civil matter between you guys of money.
All right.